don't have time for add-ins. Yeah, I'm about to be 28. My little Gigi 28. Damn, I'm auntie. Hey, Jazz. Hey, Jules. Yeah, little Gigi. I'm little Gigi, not the big one, please. No. I want to be little this year, bruh. No, I don't want to be the big one. Y'all got that one, bruh. Hey, Chazelle. Thank you for the heart, me. I'm finna be 32. I'm still young. Yeah, I'm trying to unbake my back this year. Yeah, I'm just so tiny. I'm just so little. Nelly. My golden year will be when I'm 30. Bro, how perfect is that? Like, hold on. How perfect is that, though? My golden year is going to be when I'm 30. Because it's like 30, flirty, and thriving. Because I'm going to be 30 on January 30th. I still have a couple years, but still, you know what I'm saying? No, bitch. I literally was just talking to, like, my dad last night. It's that fucking soda. Bruh. You gotta put that fucking Dr. Pepper down. No, please. Why don't you put that fucking phone down? Damn, this should be getting thick. Oh my god. I need to get my nails done again. I don't want to diet. Do y'all want to see my vision board that I did? I'll show y'all when I'm done. If y'all playing, then no. But I'm still gonna eat junk. I'm still gonna drink soda. I'm still gonna do all those things. My main thing is just to do it less. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna deny myself what I want. If I want a cookie, I'm gonna eat the cookie. If I want whatever, like, I'm gonna still do that. But I'm not in a rush for anything. God wants me to learn patience this year. He wanted me to learn patience last year, and I still didn't, so. Like, I'm gonna eat more at home, but just because I'm eating more at home doesn't mean I'm not still gonna eat out if I feel like it. Like, if I want to one day, and I'm just like, I just want to get something. Oh, well, you're not doing what you said. Actually, I am. I'm literally, you know what I mean? And then eating less junk. I'm not eating no junk. I'm just eating less of it. Because if I want to eat it, I'm going to eat it. Like, so my husband and my sister-in-law have this bet going for, like, who could lose 40 pounds faster by March 31st. Within the first week, they did 1 week. My sister-in-law lost 8 pounds. And my husband lost, like, 12 pounds. My husband is already, like, from Sunday to yesterday, he already lost, like, 2 more pounds. Yeah, they fucking locked the fucking, like, damn. He already almost there, shit. He damn 14 pounds down. I feel like it's easier for men to lose weight, though. No, I have a few more cans going in. But y'all never say y'all want to see my vision board when I'm done or what? Like, damn, you don't give a fuck about me? No, for real. Fucking skinny ass. Like, hold on, wait. Let me get up there too. Hold on. Okay, but mind you, they both been dieting and they both been working out, right? Okay, so within that 1 week, all I did eat out a couple times, but I did a lot better. But it took a whole week from Friday to Friday for me to eat out. So honestly though, when me losing all that weight, me not eating out that much, literally, I still drank soda, I ate beer, tacos, I had some Chick-fil-A, whatever. I lost 4 pounds. Hold on. Don't hurt them now. I lost 4 pounds. I ain't even do shit. I be like, damn, 12 pounds, 8 pounds, and me 4 pounds. I'm not even in this shit. I'm literally just, I'm not even doing nothing and I'm losing weight. Okay, hold on. I ain't even doing shit. Lost damn 4 pounds. Okay. Hey. Y'all, I'm fucking big as fuck. But I don't look, it's because my proportions make me look like not that big. I'm 5'2". I'm fine too. Hey. Yeah, I'm big as fuck. At my height. I told my mom how much I weigh. She's like, oh, bro. Look, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get down to like 130, 125. I'll be fucking like, I'll be about to like pass away. I'm so damn skinny. Be like, the wrist not even that big, but like when y'all see, y'all already seen, a lot of y'all seen, because I showed old pictures of myself, how I used to look. But honestly, I have maintained, like, so I was 185 before I got pregnant. And then after I got pregnant, you know, when you get pregnant, you gain like 10 to 20 pounds. So I want to say I gained like 20 pounds. But I have maintained that weight for over a year. So now I'm at exactly 200. Like right now, I'm exactly 200. How? I don't look like it, right? I'm telling y'all, it's proportions. It's proportions. Like, I'll show y'all right now, literally. I probably just have to change my shirt, put a bra on. But when I show y'all my vision board, I'll show y'all, like, how I look, and y'all be like, ain't no fucking way. No, my boobs are fat as fuck. But honestly, they're always been like that. Like, I remember, like, literally had, like, flat stomach and thick thighs. I was literally, like, slim, thick before, but and then that's why it's like my body shape is just like that. Like I'm gonna, like, if I gain weight, like, I'll get bigger, but I'm still gonna be like a slim, not as slim thick, but like that body type. Like, I'll be smaller on the top and bigger on the bottom. Thank you for my genetics. Yes. Thank you for the genetics. That was the last can to go in. I do want more kids. I want to have another one this year. That's the plan. I know when I have more kids though, I won't be able to do this because I cannot have like multiple babies and be able to take care of them throughout the day and be live. Like, there's no way. Maybe when the baby's a newborn, because all they do is like sleep. YouTube, no. It was like almost a year ago now that when I deleted it. Literally, it's all about how you